Activity 2. To arrange icons on the desktop. 1. Right-click on the desktop. A shortcut menu will appear. 2. Point to view. 3. Click on the Auto Arrange. A right mark should appear afterwards. Now, icons will get aligned properly after. Now, even dragging the icons will not break the column symmetry of the icons. They will always remain aligned. Components of a window. When you open a window, you will see the following components: title bar, scroll bars, minimize, close, maximize. Title bar. You will see a blue bar on top of the window called the title bar and 3 buttons on the right side of it. Using these buttons, this window can be made bigger, smaller, or closed as required. Maximize button. When you click on the maximize button, the window will get maximized to full screen. Activity 3. To maximize the window. 1. Click on the maximize button. The window will get maximized to cover the full screen. Restore down button. The restore down button will display only when the window is maximized. It will restore the window to the previous size from which it was maximized. Activity 4. To restore down the window. 1. Click on the restore down button. The window will become of the size from which it was maximized. Minimize button. When you click on the minimize button, the window will shrink to a rectangular button on the taskbar. Since it is not closed, you can easily make it active by clicking on it. Example, you're working in the Windows operating system and have opened 3 windows. 1. In the first window, you have opened a letter. 2. In the second window, you have opened a drawing. 3. In the third window, some cartoon movies being played. Now, if you want to watch the movie, you can minimize or shrink the first 2 windows. Activity 5. To minimize the window. 1. Click on the minimize button. The window will shrink and get minimized to a rectangular button on the taskbar. Minimized windows. Preview the minimized windows. When you move your mouse pointer to a minimized window button on taskbar, a small picture appears that shows you a mini version of the corresponding window. This preview is also called a thumbnail. Restoring back the window. To restore a minimized window, make it show up again on the desktop. Click its taskbar button. Remember, click on Show Desktop button to minimize all opened windows at once. Close button. When you click on the Close button, the window will close. Scroll bars. Scroll bars let you scroll the components of the window to see information that is currently out of view. Suggestion. Since students already know how to work with the mouse, they should be told that a window can be resized, increased or decreased in height or width by dragging it from its borders. Moving a window. Moving a window is an easy task and you might not need to shift the open window to see the contents underneath it. Let us see how to move the window. Activity 6. To move the window. 1. Bring the pointer to the title bar of the window. 2. Drag the window to the new location. Release the mouse button. The window will be placed at the new location. Checkpoint. Draw lines to match sentences with the correct buttons or bar. To maximize window, click here. To close the window, click here. To minimize the window, click here. To move the window, hold from here. Quick quiz. Name all buttons present on title bar of a window. Revision time. The operating system arranges and manages your files on the disk so that you can get to them easily and quickly. The Windows operating system provides a GUI, that is graphical user interface, that uses graphics or pictures to help the user navigate within the computer system. Icons are small-sized images that represent programs, graphics, documents, or other elements. My computer icon is used to show the contents inside your computer. When you delete a file, it goes to the recycle bin. From there, it can be restored back or permanently deleted as required. A file is your computer work stored on a disk with a name. Folders keep files organized.